Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to fix iPhone showing charging but your battery percentage is not increasing. If you are having this problem in your iPhone, then first of all open your settings and go through the battery. And if on the battery health it is showing service, then you need to change your battery. If it is not, then go back to the settings and then hit on the general. Once you're on the general, there you will see an option of VPN and device management. Go through it and make sure that any beta is not installed. If it is installed, then remove it from your device. Once you do that, also check for software update and do update your system. Once you do that, your problem will be solved. I hope you like the video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.